What's going on, guys? It's been a while since we've been on the old YouTube, but that sounded really nerdy. But anyway, I'm just this weekend just taking a little time with the Mustang. Here, I'll show you. Just kind of getting some things cleaned up for summertime. You know, summertime's coming up, so got her parked here. One little thing I did that I wanted to show you guys is I painted these black. They were just like raw metal, whatever you want to call it, and so I painted them black, so I think that looks a lot better in there. Here we go. Yeah, I think that looks 10 times better. But and then also I took the windshield wipers off, which was actually super easy. I should probably actually show you guys how I did that. Those bad boys are over here. I got them sanding them because they were in real rough shape. They were just like completely faded. And then somebody tried to paint these yesterday and just did an absolutely terrible job, so I got to resand them. I have no idea who that was, so that's pretty embarrassing. So I got to resand those and then put another coat of paint on them, which I'll show you guys how that looked at the end. And yeah, that's it. So just taking you along for the today's little thing we're doing here. A couple updates here. We're going to Silver Lake Sand Dunes in July, so that'll be a cool video with the Raptor. Hopefully that gets finished. And then let's see, we got some more side-by-side stuff coming up. Obviously we got some, we do have a couple things this month happening with the Mustang, so that'll be a couple cool videos. And so we're basically just getting this thing really cleaned up, so that'll be the next few videos. Getting this paint sorted out, getting some other things done. I won't give you guys all the details. But yeah, don't forget to follow our Instagram and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get to 1,000, man. I cannot wait to get to 1,000 subscribers, and maybe we'll do something, you know, to celebrate that. Yeah, that's it. So here we go. All right, guys, so to get these windshield wipers off the Mustang, all you had to do was, I just pulled this tab right here. See this little tab? I just pulled that, it just moves that much. And I was like, that can't be the only thing, and that literally is. You just pull that just a smidge, and then it popped right off, the little nub there. And it's, let's see here. See, it just moves that. That's all that's holding it on, which blows my mind. And I didn't believe it. And then I put it back on there and I just pushed it forward and I tried pulling it up again and it didn't want to come off. So I was like, wow, that's all that's holding it on there. So pretty much got those sanded. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit outside in the sunshine, leave these in the sun because it's still not super hot here in Michigan. Yeah, so we'll just keep going with the video. Here's an update. This paint is laying down a lot better. I don't know what was up with it yesterday, but it just was not laying down good at all. So I using a little bit newer paint. I don't know if the other stuff was like older, but I got some new paint laying down a lot better. And then I decided to just do the truck ones, you know, why not? It's super easy, you just pop them off and I'll just sand those down real quick, paint them, because the truck ones look pretty bad, obviously. The Mustang wasn't. The Mustang probably looked like this. You know, it was just kind of faded. Truck's a little rusty. So we'll get those painted up too. We'll be looking good. Alright guys, I think the Mustang ones are pretty much done. I put a couple coats on them. Definitely way better than what they were. Truck ones are looking good as well. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. So like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and check out our Instagram for... I'll probably show those on our Instagram. I'm gonna let them dry for a couple days, you know, let the paint like get hard so I can, you know, touch them and stuff without putting any smudges on the paint and whatnot. But so yeah, follow our Instagram and like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 1,000, and I'll see you guys on the next one.